today we're gonna be doing real versus chocolate. We don't know which one's real or chocolate. You wanna go first or?
Sure, I could go first.
All right, stay or switch?
I'll just stay, so I
Okay.
lift up the bowl. Okay, let me do that. Oh, yeah!
1 point for me.
What the heck?
Uno!
Uno cards. These are Uno cards.
I'm not eating it. There's 1 point for me. And we're gonna go to the next round. I'm gonna pick switch. Yeah! Emoji candy.
Oh my gosh, this is like, it's like what the heck?
Oh.
This is like slime. It's like,
Man, we're gonna do round 3 now. I get an egg? What's inside of this egg?
It's a chocolate egg!
This egg is pretty cool by itself. I get a dinosaur.
It's a chocolate dinosaur.
What?
Okay.
Dark or milk?
It tastes like
Dark chocolate?
chocolate peppermint, kind of to me.
I have 2 points.
And I have 1.
Okay, we're gonna go to the 4th round.
I want to stay.
Here we go. Yeah!
I got fake money. What? Hold on, is this real?
How much this is?
Oh no, it's.
I could buy like 20,000 chocolate bars with this. Grab a little tiny piece. Tastes like money.
I have 1 point and he has
3 points.
We're going on to the 5th round.
We're gonna switch.
Oh yeah.
I have some tools.
I have chocolate tools.
You guys want to hear a joke about construction? Wait a minute, I'm still working on it.
I have 2 points and he has
3 points.
We're going to the 6th round. It's my turn. I am going to switch.
Switch. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
What the heck is this?
Band-Aid.
Chocolate Band-Aid. Ow, I hurt myself. Yeah, I could also eat it. I have 2 and he has 4.
My turn. I'm gonna stay.
What? Hold on,
This one's candy option.
Hold on. It's candy.
Is it Pebble Rock? Are these? No, they're not.
Candy rock. It tastes really good.
Maybe some of these have diamonds in it. Probably not.
I have 3 and he has
4.
It's my turn. I'm gonna go ahead with a switch.
Switch. Here we go. Da-da-da-da-da. Oh, I get a rose. Is that an edible rose?
Yeah.
Can I eat these?
This is a candy rose, which I don't. I have 4.
I have 4, right? This is the final round. Whoever gets this last point wins. What am I gonna do? Switch! eyeball.
I could use these for something.
Our projects. We just played real versus chocolate. I'm Josiah.
And I'm Lucy.
And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.